Our journey, which began in 2008, with the unwavering commitment, innovation, and excellence, continues with the same grit and commitment. Today, brand Qualikems not merely manufactures or represents laboratory chemicals, it is enablers of progress. Purpose extends beyond products, empowering scientific research, diagnostics, and industrial advancements. Every reagent, solvent, and indicator of our brand contributes to a larger ecosystem of knowledge and discovery. We are glad to inform that today we are serving to food industry, rubber industry, school, colleges, research institutes, SIRS IRIs, and pharma industries. We majorly deals in fine chemicals, laboratory chemicals, food and pharma-grade chemicals, of international standards which passes through stringent quality process. Our new GMP facility marks yet another chapter in the company's journey of innovation and excellence. Our GMP facility has 2 SS reactors and 2 glass line reactors, which are capable of production of approximate 2 metric tons per day. Our GMP facility has SS centrifuge, rubber, line centrifuge, tray dryers, ribbon blender, multi-mill, vibro shifter, and other necessary machineries which will allow us to serve our customer needs best possible way. Our AHU, which has a capacity of circulating air at 13,250 CFM per minute, 34.5 TRN, is placed well to the production unit, which gives a clear environment for the manufacturing of product and also makes sure no external particles can enter the manufacturing premises, which helps to produce the best product. We follow proper quality management, sanitation, hygiene, proper maintenance, and validation of machinery and equipment, clear specification for primary material, qualified and trained staff. We follow rigorous testing and quality assurance for all our products. Our 2,000 kilograms per hour capacity of smoke tube type steam boiler, which is capable to serve steam to our 8SS reactor and 4 glass line rectors, which gives our production team to manufacture quality materials to serve our precious customers. Our commitment to quality is reflected in accreditation of ISO certification, halal certification, and other certifications. Adhere to strict quality management systems, ensuring the highest standards always. Our in-house laboratory, which is equipped with modern, high-performance liquid chromatograph, gas chromatograph, UV-vis spectrophotometer, oyster analyzer, and other instruments ensure the end product is 100% pure and safe as per the specifications and your requirements. Our in-house R&D, we are constantly conducting customized synthesis and specialized research for new products/novel and niche products on market demand. We try to create new formulation, analyze existing formulation, and optimize our manufacturing process, which makes us unique and market leader in fulfilling requirement of our esteemed customers. Qualikems is committed to its responsibilities towards green and clean nature. Considering our commitment to future generation, we know even our small actions collectively create a significant impact on environment. We are working constantly to safeguard our nature for future generations. Eventually, we express our heartfelt gratitude and thanks to our valued customers, supportive partners, tireless employees, who are the pillars of our successful journey so far. Let's continue this dedicated and successful journey together with the same integrity, objective, and resilience.